Seasoning for asparagus.
Yes?
Whatever you feel like.
Okay. Spady kitty. Whoa.
Oh, baby.
Nice. Can I put some water in here? To like kind of boil.
What's in there now?
Asparagus.
Yeah, you might want to put some oil or a little bit of water in there.
Just a little bit of water.
And then there's some rule about adding water to oil.
Is there already oil in there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah. No, just I would.
Oh.
Look at that chefry.
Like the roof now?
Oh yeah,
You
and
making a
there's the
video?
new light fixture.
Yeah.
Nice. Hi, Jill.
Yep, that's it.